Vegan nutrition is about eating foods from plants. This means enjoying a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, legumes, grains, nuts, and seeds. By focusing on these plant-based foods, you can create delicious and nutritious meals that fuel your body with the essential nutrients it needs. Grains, nuts, and seeds are packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber, which are crucial for maintaining energy levels and overall health. Incorporating a variety of these foods into your diet ensures you get a balanced intake of nutrients. It's a way of eating that is good for your body and the planet. By choosing plant-based foods, you reduce your carbon footprint and support sustainable farming practices. This not only benefits your health but also contributes to a healthier environment. Vegan diets are full of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a strong immune system, healthy skin, and proper digestion. Eating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables ensures you get a wide range of these important nutrients. These nutrients are important for staying healthy and feeling your best. When you consume a diet rich in plant-based foods, you provide your body with the tools it needs to function optimally. This can lead to increased energy levels, better mood, and overall improved well-being. When you eat a vegan diet, you give your body what it needs to thrive. Plant-based foods are naturally low in saturated fats and cholesterol, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Additionally, a vegan diet can aid in weight management and promote a healthy body weight. Many people choose a vegan diet for ethical reasons like animal welfare and environmental concerns. By opting for plant-based foods, you are making a compassionate choice that helps reduce animal suffering and promotes a more sustainable way of living. Others choose it for the amazing health benefits. A vegan diet can lead to improved digestion, clearer skin, and a stronger immune system. Many people report feeling more energetic and vibrant after making the switch to a plant-based lifestyle. Whatever your reason, going vegan can be a positive change. It encourages you to explore new foods and flavors, and can lead to a more varied and exciting diet. Plus, it can be a fun and rewarding journey as you discover new recipes and ways to enjoy plant-based meals. Veganism is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle. It encompasses making mindful choices in all areas of life, from the food you eat to the products you use. By adopting a vegan lifestyle, you are aligning your actions with your values and contributing to a more compassionate and sustainable world. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values and support a healthier, more compassionate world. Whether it's through reducing your environmental impact, supporting animal welfare, or improving your own health, a vegan lifestyle offers numerous benefits that can positively impact your life and the world around you. A vegan diet can provide all the nutrients you need for optimal fitness, from building muscle to boosting endurance. Let's break it down. Plant-based protein sources like lentils, chickpeas, tofu, and quinoa help build and repair muscle tissue essential for strength training. Whole grains like brown rice, oats, and quinoa provide sustained energy for long workouts and endurance activities. Avocados, nuts, and seeds deliver healthy fats, which are crucial for energy production and hormone regulation. Fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants that combat exercise-induced inflammation and support faster recovery. Many world-class athletes thrive on a vegan diet, showcasing that a plant-based lifestyle can support and even enhance athletic performance. These athletes are not just surviving but excelling in their respective sports, breaking records and setting new standards, proving that plant-based eating can fuel peak performance. From endurance sports to high-intensity competitions, these athletes demonstrate that a vegan diet provides all the necessary nutrients for strength, speed, and recovery. The tennis legend Venus Williams adopted a vegan diet to manage her autoimmune disease and has experienced incredible improvements in her energy and recovery. Her journey is a testament to how dietary changes can lead to significant health benefits, allowing her to continue competing at the highest levels. The seven-time Formula One champion Lewis Hamilton credits his plant-based diet for his increased energy levels and focus on the racetrack. Hamilton's commitment to veganism extends beyond his personal health. He is also a vocal advocate for animal rights and environmental sustainability. This tennis superstar Novak Djokovic follows a plant-based diet and attributes his exceptional stamina and mental clarity to his food choices. Djokovic's diet has been a crucial factor in his ability to maintain peak performance and recover quickly from the physical demands of professional tennis. This renowned rock climber Alex Honnold, famous for his free solo ascents, fuels his extraordinary feats of strength and endurance with a vegan diet. Honnold's dietary choices support his intense training regimen and help him achieve the mental clarity required for his daring climbs. These athletes' stories highlight the potential of a vegan diet to support not just everyday health, but also the rigorous demands of professional sports. By choosing plant-based nutrition, they are paving the way for future generations of athletes to explore the benefits of veganism. Transitioning to a vegan diet doesn't have to be overwhelming. Here's a gradual approach. Replace one meal a day with a delicious vegan option. Try a tofu scramble for breakfast or a lentil soup for lunch. Swap dairy milk for almond, soy, or oat milk. They are delicious and versatile for smoothies, cereal, or coffee. Dedicate one day a week to enjoying entirely plant-based meals. It's a great way to try new recipes. Pay attention to ingredients lists to identify and avoid animal products. Look for vegan alternatives. A vegan diet offers a wide array of health benefits, promoting overall well-being. By focusing on plant-based foods, individuals can enjoy meals that are not only delicious but also packed with essential nutrients. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining various bodily functions and enhancing overall health. Heart health plant-based diets are naturally lower in saturated fat and cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. Consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains can help maintain healthy blood pressure and improve overall cardiovascular health. This dietary approach supports the heart by providing essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that protect against heart-related ailments. Weight management. Vegan diets are often lower in calories and higher in fiber, aiding in weight management and promoting a healthy body mass index, or BMI. High-fiber foods help you feel full longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Additionally, plant-based diets can boost metabolism and support digestive health, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight over time. Diabetes prevention. A vegan lifestyle can help regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. By choosing whole, unprocessed plant foods, individuals can improve insulin sensitivity and maintain stable blood sugar levels. This dietary pattern is rich in fiber, which slows the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, providing a steady source of energy and preventing spikes in blood sugar. Reduced cancer risk. Studies show that a plant-based diet may lower the risk of certain types of cancer thanks to the abundance of antioxidants and fiber. Antioxidants help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, while fiber supports a healthy digestive system by promoting regular bowel movements and removing toxins from the body. Incorporating a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables into your diet can provide a wide range of protective compounds that contribute to long-term health and cancer prevention. Let's address some common misconceptions about veganism. Myth: vegans don't get enough protein. Fact: plenty of plant-based foods are protein powerhouses including lentils, beans, tofu, tempeh, and quinoa. Myth: vegan diets are deficient in iron. Fact: dark leafy greens, beans, lentils, and fortified cereals are excellent sources of iron. Myth: you can't build muscle on a vegan diet. Fact: countless vegan athletes are living proof that you can build muscle and strength on a plant-based diet. Myth: vegan food is boring. Fact: vegan cuisine is incredibly diverse and flavorful, with endless possibilities for delicious and satisfying meals. Adopting a vegan lifestyle extends beyond personal health. It's a powerful way to contribute to a more sustainable planet. Reduced carbon footprint. Animal agriculture is a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. A vegan diet significantly reduces your environmental impact. Water conservation. Producing meat and dairy requires vast amounts of water. Plant-based diets are much more water efficient. Land preservation. Raising livestock requires large amounts of land for grazing and feed production. Choosing veganism helps protect forests and wildlife habitats. Reduced pollution. Animal agriculture contributes to water and air pollution. Vegan diets promote cleaner water and air for everyone. A vegan lifestyle offers a path to vibrant health, peak fitness, and a more sustainable future. By choosing plant-based foods, you nourish your body, protect animals, and contribute to a healthier planet. Start by incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet. Explore new recipes, experiment with different ingredients, and discover the delicious world of vegan cuisine. Remember, every step you take towards a more plant-based lifestyle makes a difference. Embrace the journey, and enjoy the countless benefits that veganism has to offer.